Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, we're going to polish this aluminum tray with the Wenol Metal Polish to reveal a mirror shine. So what we're going to do is take some of this Wenol Metal Polish and place it on our Scott Blue shop towel. Then we're just going to rub it in to this aluminum plate until it's as dark as possible. Wait for it to dry. Then we're going to wipe it away with another Scott Blue shop towel to reveal a mirror shine. Wenol Metal Polish is a gentle German-made formula designed to clean and preserve bare metal surfaces like aluminum. It restores shine while leaving behind a water-resistant protective layer that helps slow oxidation. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box and have a wonderful day.